Hello, my name is Molly Esquivel. Um, I'm taking Bio 120, and this is my presentation on fungi. The general classification and structure of fungus. Fungus are eukaryotes. That means they have um, a nucleus-bound cell membrane. And the physical structure of fungus include a cap, spores, gills, stem, ring, cup, and the mycelial thread, which is like the roots that go underground. Fungus cell structure and function. The fungus cell walls are made out of chitin and glucan, which are like most of the time make up exoskeletons of organisms. And fungus have mycelium, which are the mold spores that penetrate into food and break down dead organisms or like fruits and vegetables. And the hyphae are the thread-like filaments that are the branches of mycelium right here. And septum are the internal walls between hyphae, which are shown right here inside the hyphae. And the thallus is just the vegetative body of the fungus. Fungus can go through asexual and sexual reproduction. The steps of replication in fungus are spores, the sporangia bursts, which release spores that are haploid, and in the right conditions, spores can germinate and grow hyphae, and the sporangia appear, and it will go again into the cycle, making a fungi. Some diseases that are from fungus include mycosis. Most people that have a weak immune system can get mycosis, and mycosis is like a red ring infection on skin. It's a rash kind of. And the causes are from, you can get mycosis from a person who has the disease, or an animal who has the disease, or from like very environments that have a lot of moisture, and it's most found like on the skin of an animal or human. They cause itchy skin, a ring-shaped rash, and cracked skin, and hair loss on the infection area. And the treatment is like an antifungal cream that will go against the fungus and try and stop the rash from spread and getting more irritated. I mean, it's just getting more irritated. Helpful uses of fungus, like the everyday uses, is mushrooms, like just regular mushrooms that you eat. And you could also find it in blue cheese. And Fungus is also used in the preparation of food, like in yeast. Yeast makes bread rise. So even if you don't like mushrooms on the pizza, um, pizza bread is still has fungus, which is the yeast that makes the bread rise. And medicine, an example of fungus in medicine is penicillin, which is used as an antibiotic and to stop bacterial infections from spreading. And lastly, some facts. Some fungus can produce a dangerous toxin called mycotoxins, and they're mostly found in nuts and grains. Most of these toxins can still survive even in high temperatures, and these toxins can cause you to become ill. So sometimes you find these mycotoxins mostly in very soft foods like bread and berries. Like they break down, so you should not eat foods that are soft and could easily turn into mold um, because you will become very ill. Here's the sources I used, and that's the end of the fungus presentation.